was scrolling Pinterest and saw an upcycle clothing idea using buttons that was so cute, it genuinely made me stop and stare for a second. Because why do people on Pinterest casually turn simple clothing into something that looks like it belongs in a high-end boutique? It really makes you look at everyday sewing supplies in a completely different way. So today we are looking at some seriously creative button upcycling ideas that take ordinary clothing and transform it into something unique, artsy, and full of personality, all using something most of us already have tucked away in a sewing kit somewhere. All of these ideas were found scrolling Pinterest, and I linked the Pinterest board down below so you can go take a look for yourself and save your favorites. Make sure to vote in the comments for your favorite idea, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning project in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. Now let's get into these ideas before I convince myself I need to sew buttons onto literally everything I own. Let's get into these button upcycling ideas I found scrolling Pinterest, because the creativity out there really turns something as simple as a button into a full design moment that can completely change a piece of clothing. What stands out most is how these ideas mix old school sewing tradition with fresh, modern styling, taking everyday garments and giving them personality, texture, and detail that feels intentional and stylish. Some of these concepts focus on subtle placement, where buttons are used almost like embellishment stitching to add charm and structure, while others lean into bold patterns that turn a plain piece into something artistic and eye-catching. It is one of those techniques that works on so many different fabrics and styles, whether it is denim, knits, jackets, or even accessories. And it is especially satisfying because it is budget-friendly and beginner-friendly at the same time. If you enjoy ideas like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, because there are always more creative sewing and upcycling projects coming. I also have a tutorial playlist linked in the description where you can find even more inspiration from past videos and other creations. Keep an eye on your own button stash, because you might already have everything you need to start one of these projects today. These are the kinds of projects that can really help you look at your sewing stash in a whole new way. Like, nothing is wasted, and everything has potential if you look at it differently. It is also a great reminder that even small details can completely refresh older pieces in your closet without needing to buy anything new. Just a little creativity and patience. Every project like this builds confidence in sewing skills over time. And when you are done watching this, check out the next video that is on the screen right now, because I think you are going to love that one just as much. I will see you there.